Welcome to Ritu's Mirch Masala. It's very hot outside. So, in this summer, we really want to have something which is cool, refreshing, and what if it gives us the feeling of a restaurant? Well, today we are going to learn 5 coolers, and to know the secrets of those 5 coolers, please watch the video till the end. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
For preparing watermelon mojito, I have taken half lemon and I've just sliced it. I've just made sure that remove the seeds. Along with that, I have taken some mint leaves and I'm just going to muddle it, and I'm just going to transfer these leaves and the lemon crushed one into the glass. Here I have taken some watermelon slices and I'm just going to muddle them as well. See, I'm muddling it. And I transfer it to the same glass. Personally, I like watermelon a lot, and I am going to add a few more watermelon slices. Look at the juice which is coming out. It is so tempting. And now I'm going to add ice cubes to it. Watermelon mojito is always served chilled, so here I've added lemon juice to it. And now whatever you like, I personally like Sprite, so I am adding Sprite, but then you can also have a choice of soda or Sprite or Mountain Dew, whatever you feel like. Look at that. It's so refreshing. Your ice cold watermelon mojito is all set to serve. For preparing mango tango, I have taken one ripe mango and I've taken the pulp out of it, and it's 2 small raw mangoes, and I have grated it as well, and I have turned it into puree. You will always have to keep in mind that it is always 2:1 in ratio. Now we are just going to mix it and heat it at high flame. You can see that I am mixing it properly, and we just have to stir it constantly just to make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And here I am using high flame for it the same, and you can see that now I've added powdered sugar to it. You can even use the sugar in other form as well. Here you can see that the mixture is being stirred continuously, and you can see how beautiful it is looking. So here I'm adding lemon juice to it just to avoid crystallization. You can see it is getting thickened. Just to avoid further thickening, I'm just adding a little water to it. And now I won't wait for much long time, so here I'm going to filter it. You can see that I'm filtering it. Now if you like pulpy one, you don't need to filter it, but if you don't like pulpy, you can always separate it, filter it. So you can see that it is looking so beautiful, and it is even the residue part is very delicious. It can be eaten as chutney. So here I am just adding ice cubes to it, and your mango tango is all set to drink. Enjoy. For preparing iced tea, I have taken water and sugar, and I'll just let it boil for some time. You can see that the water has started boiling in it. Here I'm just going to add tea leaves into it, and I won't let it boil for a long time. Just a single boil is sufficient. So I'm just going to put off the flame now, and without any delay, I'm just going to filter this one. And here I'm going to add the lemon juice to it and just stir. And then look at the color. It has changed. It looks so beautiful. I've kept it in the refrigerator for half an hour, and here your iced tea is all set to serve. For preparing rose drink, I have taken these chia seeds or basil seeds and I have soaked them for half an hour, and they've swollen. And first of all, I'll add these 4 to 5 spoons of basil seeds. Personally, I love them very much because they are very, very healthy, very cooling in effect. And I've added rose syrup to it. Now I'm going to add quickly milk to it, and then I'll add water as well, and I'm going to make it chilled with the ice cubes. I'm just going to stir it well, and look, it's looking so beautiful. Garnish it with rose petals. It's ready to serve. For preparing masala chaach, I have taken dahi or curd, and I have taken equal amount of water into it. And here I'm going to add cumin seed powder, black salt and black pepper, and then I'm going to blend it with hand blender. If you don't have hand blender, you can also do the same process in a mixer jar. So I'm just going to serve it. It is very, very cooling and refreshing. And now the froth which I had accumulated on the top of it, I'm just going to serve it on the top of the glass. It's so looking attractive. And I'm just going to add it with refreshing mint leaves. Here we go.